Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Finally, new shocking details revealed about Apple's thinnest model, the new iPhone 17 Air. How the iPhone 17 Air will differ from the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, and iPhone 17 Pro Max, shown in a live photo of protective screens. The camera of the smartphone will be different to all other iPhone 17 lineup models. Let's dive into the video for full details. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. According to the new publication unit of news, it has become known that the iPhone 17 Air will differ from the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, and iPhone 17 Pro Max in the location of the front camera. Judging by the image published by an well-known insider, under the nickname Majin Bu, the front camera of the iPhone 17 Air will be located to the left of the dynamic island, and not to the right of it as on other models. The device's ultra-thin design may have forced Apple to redesign some of the internal components surrounding the front-facing camera and Face ID. The device is expected to be the thinnest iPhone ever released, measuring just 5.5 millimeters at its thinnest point. All four iPhone 17 models released this year are rumored to feature a 24-megapixel front-facing camera, up from the 12-megapixel front-facing camera found on all iPhone 16 models. Analyst reports and industry leaks suggest that the iPhone 17 Air will feature a major design departure from previous models. With a significantly slimmer body and fresh camera layout, it may emerge as the thinnest iPhone yet, trimming nearly 2 millimeters off the iPhone 16 Pro's profile. It is also rumored that this model will replace the existing Plus version. On the other hand, the iPhone 17 Pro Max may set a new benchmark for iPhone photography. Leaks indicate it could sport three 48-megapixel sensors for wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto shooting. This configuration may allow the device to support 8K video recording an iPhone first. While the standard iPhone 17 will likely retain the design cues and hardware fundamentals of the iPhone 16, such as the USB-C port and action button, the Pro versions may see an aesthetic refresh. A redesigned rectangular camera housing and smoother frame are among the expected design upgrades. iPhone 17 Pro models, and even the iPhone 17 Air, are rumored to have 12 GB of RAM. This upgrade should help to improve the performance of Apple Intelligence and multitasking. Apple is expected to announce the iPhone 17 series lineup in September this year. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.